Welcome back to UGC NET Paper 1 series. Today we explore a fascinating heritage, the institutions of higher learning and education in ancient India. This is from your Unit 10, the first subtopic of your Unit 10. So long before modern universities were born, India was home to some of the world's oldest and most advanced educational institutions. These centers didn't just teach religion or philosophy, they offered holistic education in science, mathematics, logic, grammar, medicine, and more. Let's begin with Takshashila or Takshila, which is dating back to 700 BCE. It is often considered one of the first universities in the world. Scholars from across Asia came here to study subjects like Ayurveda, politics, Arthashastra, astronomy, and grammar under the legendary teachers like Panini and Chanakya. Next comes the Nalanda University, which was established in the 5th century CE in the present day Bihar. It was a residential university with over 10,000 students and 2,000 teachers. Oh my God. Here, Buddhist philosophy thrived alongside logic, medicine, maths, and literature. It drew scholars from China, Korea, Tibet, and Central Asia, including the famous Chinese traveler Zhuangzang, who studied and taught there. Then there was Vallabhi in Gujarat, a seat of learning from the 6th to the 12th century CE. Well known for its courses in law, administration, and public policy. It was recognized as a major educational rival to Nalanda. Now, education in these institutions was deeply rooted in the Guru Shishya tradition. Students lived with their teachers, absorbing knowledge through intense debates, memorization, and reflection. There was a strong emphasis on moral discipline, logic, and lifelong learning. So these centers weren't just local hubs; they were global magnets for knowledge, showcasing India's stature as a Vishwa Guru, a teacher to the world. Sadly, many of these institutions declined due to foreign invasions, loss of patronage, and changing political landscape. The destruction of Nalanda by Bakhtiyar Khilji, we all know, in the 12th century marked a devastating blow. So let's recap major institutions: Takshashila, Nalanda, and Vallabhi. Subjects: Ved, science, logic, medicine, philosophy. Pedagogy: oral tradition, Guru Shishya model. And global influence attracted scholars from across Asia. So understanding these is important to understand the education in India.